What's good, guys? Welcome to the channel. I hope your pockets are doing well. I hope your crypto and NFT gains are about to take off to the moon. Today we have a very nice project. I'm behind this project because I know they have a vision, and it's not about the gains, not only about the gains. Obviously we're all gonna make gains as it's about to take off and the community is building, but the focus of this project is really to do something good, to serve the planet and the environment that we are all living in. So not even us, the first adopters of the NFTs, will gain benefits, all the people in the world, because we're going to invest the profits into improving the environment, cleaning up the oceans and other things that will serve the planet, which we'll get into. But obviously this is not financial advice. Guys, do your own research, look through this video, build your own opinion on this project, and then look into the Discord and find out if you want to invest into it, because it's all about community and the feeling that you have about this product. So let's get straight into it. You can already see it's not like the typical kind of boring NFT project. That one is looking fire. The details, the different trades, they look all so different. Like, I wish I could mint 10 because this is like so fun and they look funny. The coolest thing about this is even that if you hold the NFT, that you will get a free airdrop for the next NFT that they're gonna drop. So if that one goes up, you can get your initial investment easily in through the airdrop, because a lot of people will be able to join the community. A lot of people will join or want to join the community. So that one is fire, and I think they have a great roadmap, which we'll get into now. As you guys can see, they're about to launch 8,000 NFTs, and the overall goal is to send $1 million to a charity foundation for environmental aid. And that's a goal. I love it. And guys, we should all be more mindful about how we treat the planet, for which companies we work, because it's a problem overall. And imagine we would only live in the metaverse, where it's not the real world. I want to have fun in the existing world. I would want to go to Bali and do some snorkeling. I want to see some fishes, some colorful corals, and that's the goal. That's the real life. I don't care about the metaverse. I want to do money in the metaverse, but I want to live in the real world, and that's what we should care about. And it maybe sounds boring to some of y'all because you want to make gains, but I'm gonna tell you why it will make you gains, why this project is so special and will bring great returns, exactly because they care about this stuff, as you know. And think about all the other projects that have launched. Think about the Bored Ape Club. What made them go through the roof? It's not the art, it hasn't been the initial roadmap, it has been the community. The first kind of NFT heads, they collected themselves, or they met up in the Discord, and they knew exactly, hey, that's the community. We want to chill here, we want to vibe here, and that's why we're gonna keep the floor high. We don't want to get like some flippers in here that don't want to invest to get in this community, and that's what is about to get built here. Look at the community of this Discord. There are people in there that will hold diamond hands because they love the project, they love the roadmap, and that's why the floor will rise. And as soon as people will see the wins of this team, the things that we're gonna build and how we improve the community and the environment, that's when they want to join. It's not hype, it's community, and that's what it's about. Community, environment, that's what we care about, and that's why I think this project will also bring you some massive gains, and you will also do something good for your environment. So let's get into the roadmap. So guys, as you can see, there are 300 elements or traits in the NFTs compared to the Bored Ape Club, which only had 110. This is massive. They put so much time into their NFTs and into the product. It's nice, it's fun. Like, it will be exciting to mint and reveal, especially the reveal process. I want 5. I want to see 5 and I want the rarest one. So the price is 0.09 ETH, which is fair. We're doing it for the environment, and we will also make gains for sure. So what you also have here is that all the people that will mint and hold will have great perks. You will get access, you will get an airdrop for another NFT, which is awesome. You don't even have to pay for it. That's how we move in. And then you will also get access to real life experiences. It's about the community. We will catch up with each other, and we will make sure everybody can build some connections all around the world, and you will get some real life perks. So what else do we got here? Yo guys, as you can see, they already have a huge shout out from Fyro. That one is going wild, so make sure that you also enter here, follow Moonlab and Fyro, retweet it, tag to friends, you will enter the giveaway here. Also this one is huge. Look at these sneak peeks, awesome. Here one with FuseFi, also big one, so you already see they got a lot of traction. I'm hyped. And here this one is with Citizen Climate, where they're just gonna take care of climate change, and they're gonna do some good stuff like they said they will, and it's a long-term project. Here you can also see their airdrop of the crypto cola, which your NFT will be able to drink. You will get let's see, you will get also a free NFT from that one. It's kind of like the mutation serum from Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is awesome. How the hell can apes live on the moon? The story, guys. It wasn't Armstrong that moved to the moon, that set up the first step on the moon. It was an ape, a moon ape. And that's it. We've been the first ones on the moon. We've been chilling there. We watched the planet and we saw how humans destroyed it. It looks like a nasty place nowadays. Everybody's putting dirt into the ocean, plastic. We don't want to see it. We, as Moon Apes, don't want to see it anymore, and we need to rescue 2022. We need to rescue the planet. Look at this guy. This is like the Vice Yoda, man. I love this guy. I definitely know he can spit some fire. I want to chill with him on the moon and watch the sunset. So that's what it's about. Look at this. $1 million will be put to help the Earth. Love it. Look at the roadmap. So guys, as I already mentioned, you will get another NFT drop for the holders, and there will be also a breeding function, which is awesome. So there's something about like a crypto coke, which is probably like a serum which we saw with the Bored Ape Yacht Club, that or NFTs can kind of drink, and maybe we will even get another kind of NFT from it. That's basically what it is. It's breeding, right? So these guys really got a great project together. They thought about, hey, how can we make this happen? Because a lot of people promise you a lot on the roadmap, but these guys already in advance partnered up with Greenpeace and other cryptocurrency projects that they're gonna partner up with to make sure they're gonna reach the milestone of $1 million donated in total. So we're gonna make it true. So even after that, you will get another NFT airdrop, which is loot, and you will be able to choose one of these, for example, a gun, boger, or bazooka. So each loot bag consists out of 8 traits, which is awesome. So we get so much value. They're already working on that stuff, and we get it just for free. Like, these guys are really thinking ahead and are ahead of the game. I haven't seen that kind of system before on an NFT project, even though they're spending all the money to this charity project, right? And they're still getting the funds, and they're making sure that we get served by already making sure the developers are paid, the artist is paid, and they're gonna make this happen. So they're even gonna have a ERC20 token which you can invest in, and you can get also passive income by locking it up on Uniswap. And obviously they want to put like the cherry on top. Imagine they're gonna also build a play to earn game. They're gonna do everything. They're gonna take over. The Moon Apes gonna save the planet and the year 2021. And yeah, they obviously got the game designer and developer. Look at the drawings here. I love it, love the art, and I just can't wait to see how the project evolves. I want to see the roadmap fulfilled. I want to see the environment and the impact that we're gonna deliver with this project. So it's really awesome. I like it, guys. Join the Discord. You can also see the team. You can follow these guys. You can check them out. You can see what they post on Twitter. It's awesome. Really like it. I'm gonna be in the Discord. They're also rolling out a couple of marketing strategies, so the project is about to blow up. They already have 18,000 followers on Twitter. They're definitely gonna sell out, and I'm behind the project. Join the Discord. You can find me, NFT Futurist. Put any question that you have into this channel. There are so many kind members that will answer them for you. And yeah, let's get it. Let's get this project to the moon. Make this world a better place. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, put the comments beyond this video on which kind of products you want to have a video on, and we're gonna see each other at the next video. I hope your bags go to the moon, and see you.